Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Neat. Today's video, I'm giving you guys a ton of laundry motivation. So if you need to get some laundry done or if you need to get some cleaning done, this is the time now to go ahead and get it done while you're watching this video. I'm definitely going to be bringing you guys a lot of motivation today. And if you are not subscribed, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe. If you are needing any type of motivation to get things done around your house, any type of organization tips, I am your girl and I would love for you to be a part of my family here. So let's go ahead and get into it. So while we're tackling the laundry today, I wanted to give you guys some spunky Christmas music to listen to. I really like these couple of songs that's in this video, so let me know in the comments below if you guys like them as well.
No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
So here I'm tackling Eleni's large load of clothes. If you guys are new here, Eleni is my little girl. She's 3 years old and she has a ton of clothes. I would say I'm definitely a minimalist when it comes to my clothes, but clearly my little girl is spoiled. But I also want to mention we do wait a long time before tackling her laundry. So this is probably like a month's worth of laundry and then we'll wash and dry it. So just making sure that she's wearing all of her clothes, because it was a time where she would have clothes in the bottom of her drawers that she never wore because we would wash so often. So we started waiting longer periods of time to wash so that way she's able to wear everything.
Have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
Just want to mention this tip. My sister actually had called me while I was folding clothes. So just talking to her definitely did make the process go a little faster. So if you have someone you can call if you're home by yourself just to get it done a little quicker and take your mind off of it, or you can also grab someone within your household, a tag team, to get it done faster. It does help tremendously.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around.
If you are trying to start your organizing journey and just don't know where to get started, I have my guide called Your Guide to Becoming Simply Neat. It's a guide that will walk you step by step on how to organize any space within your home. So if you are struggling with that, it walks you step by step. Guys, it comes with free templates, free visuals. Also go more in depth on decluttering, the scientology behind organizing, and the non-attachment process. So if you're interested in starting your organization journey but just don't know where to start, that'll definitely be the guide for you. And I will put it in the description box below.
Lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can
Another thing I want to mention, if I'm putting clothes up and I see things out of order or that needs to be reorganized and it'll just take me 5 minutes, you know, 3 to 5 minutes, I'll go ahead and do that. So that's what I'm doing here, just reorganizing her shoes and just making her closet look a little bit more organized. So there's another tip for you guys.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me.
So as far as our laundry routine goes, we do start on Thursday evening after I get home from work, and then we'll finish up on Saturday. Sometimes it'll go into Sunday, but most of the time we try to finish it on Saturday because Sunday is our reset day to get things together for the week. But that is our routine. We usually have about 4 to 5 loads depending on if Ellenie's clothes need to be washed as well. So let me know in the comments below how many loads you wash within your laundry routine and what day your laundry routine is.
And follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face. And later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day.
Here's to folding my favorite load, which is the towels. Does anybody else find this satisfying, especially whenever you're towards the end of your laundry routine? So we're going to go ahead and tackle these towels, and there are some clothes mixed in with the towels as well, but then we're going to finish off with the white clothes, so don't click off yet. I have a little bit more laundry motivation to give you guys, so I hope you can stay till the end.
We all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the
So another project I need to do is definitely declutter this closet. So 9 times out of 10, I'll use my method that I talk about in my guide on how to declutter. So I'll definitely be coming out with a video on decluttering and reorganizing my closet space, especially with taking things out from the summer and then putting things in for the winter. So stay tuned for that video.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh.
Recently been using this cube organizer to organize all my towels, and another OCD thing that has kicked in is I like to color coordinate the towels just to make them look a little bit neater, just because I'm not too fond of the colorful towels, but They are perfectly fine, so there's no reason to get rid of them, but I just like to color coordinate just to make it look a little bit neater.
It's a chance to start over.
Normally I wait to do the towels last, but on this day I wanted to go ahead and tackle the white clothes last just because it was a small load. So let's go ahead and tackle this last load.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas.
Once again, don't forget to subscribe if you definitely like laundry motivation like this. Also, don't forget to like this video. It'll let me know that you guys want more content like this, as well as don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post new content.
And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
You are still watching. I want to thank you for staying till the end. I hope it gave you the laundry motivation you need to get some things done today, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.